Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on for a quick video to let you folks know um, who've become regulars to the videos that I've been doing every morning for the last like 3 months. I'm going to be taking a short hiatus from doing that this week, mostly because of my workload. My workload is incredibly hot right now. I have a ton of things on deck that need to get done and get out the door, and you'd be surprised the amount of time that it takes just doing an hour plus stream in the morning. It's a huge chunk out of my production time, plus the time it takes to kind of lead up to it and prepare, and kind of a cool down after it. Um, a 1 to 2 hour stream actually ends up taking about 3 to 4 hours out of my day, and right now I have a really massive workload and kind of a backlog of work that desperately needs to get done and out the door. So I hope you guys will be cool with that, and we'll still be sticking around. The streams will start back up after this week. I just need to take a short hiatus from it to be able to keep up with my responsibilities to clients and clients and projects, to the various folks who they come to me and they give me their confidence, and so I have to do the responsible thing for them, and really make sure that I cover my bases there, and really give them the best of what I've got. But the streams and everything will start back up after this week. I'm just taking a week off to kind of cool my heels and catch back up on some things that I'm not behind yet, but getting closer than I like to be. And folks who know me for any amount of time know that I absolutely hate falling behind on any of my work. So anyway, thanks to all you guys for sticking with it for the last 3 months or so, and we'll be back in about a week, and we'll be picking back up with the basilisk and its rigging and some of the stuff with that, and then continuing forward with the D&D monster series that we've been doing. So just keep in mind we'll be back in about a week. We may have some clips and things that drop during this coming week, just a few things, so that we don't completely fall off the radar. But thank you very much for watching these live streams, hanging out, interacting, the friends that we've met through the chat so far, and we'll be back in about a week. So, as always, remember, like, share, subscribe, all that groovy stuff. Go to 6s1.com for the newsletter. Thanks again. See you back here in a week.